The Beach Retreat is a very special place in Newport, Oregon. Located directly across from the steps to a spectacular flat sandy beach on the magnificent Pacific Ocean. This location offers endless options for exploring, walking, and strolling in both directions. Within walking distance via the beach or quaint old Highway 101, you will find the historic Nye Beach area, featuring shops, restaurants, wine bars, and some of the best clam chowder anywhere. To the south is the Yaquina Bay State Park that surrounds the Yaquina Bay Lighthouse, built in 1872, with fantastic views of the ocean, the jetty, and the classic Newport Bridge. Keep on walking and you will drop into Old Town Newport. Once again, countless shops and restaurants all along the bayfront. Seafood is abundant and fresh. The seals are alive and well. The air is clean and crisp. If you want to pick up some fresh seafood and plan on preparing your own seafood or other fare, don't worry about what you will need for such enterprises. The Beach Retreat has all the pots, pans, utensils, knives, and kitchenware you could possibly need. Like they say, all you need is your toothbrush. The unobstructed view directly in front of the retreat brings the ocean breezes to your decks, where you will find numerous cozy chairs. The misty sunrise is invigorating, and the stellar sunsets are incomparable. Each of the 2 units has queen-size beds. The downstairs retreat is a unique destination for a resort town, as it provides a safe backyard for your canine comrades and a backdoor access to the yard, plus an extra singles bed in one room. Dogs are welcome on the vast, practically empty beaches across the street. The upstairs and the downstairs at the Beach Retreat have very large decks for whale watching, shark watching, kites that is, and special meals while enjoying the endless tide roll in and out. Satellite TV, clean, homey furnishings, and an ideal location make the Beach Retreat a one-of-a-kind, most enjoyable and relaxing destination. And you can depend on all the necessities of home away from home to gather all the photos, stories, and precious memories of your time here in Newport, Oregon. And remember, don't grow up too quickly, lest you forget how much you love the beach.